Hey everyone, are you ready for the ultimate Black Friday 2024 deals? Today we're diving into Reolink's incredible offers, perfect for upgrading your home or business security system. Plus, I'll share how you can stack an exclusive promo code to save even more. Don't miss out. So, when do the Black Friday deals at Reolink kick off? You'll be happy to know they've already started. From October 28 to December 5, 2024, you have over a month to grab their incredible discounts. The best part? Discounts reach up to 52% in the UK, 46% in Germany, and 43% in the US. And if you're shopping during the sweet spot between November 14 and December 2, you'll find the hottest offers of the season. Now here's the cherry on top. Reolink is letting you stack discounts. Use our exclusive promo code CARO5 to snag an extra 5% off on all products, even on top of their Black Friday deals. That's right, this code works during the sale period, so don't forget to apply it at checkout. The link and promo code are waiting for you down in the description. Why choose Reolink over other brands? It's simple. They deliver advanced security solutions that really stand out. Their 180-degree panoramic cameras eliminate blind spots, giving you full coverage in any area. On top of that, their ColorX technology lets you see in full color, even in complete darkness. Forget those blurry black and white night vision clips. With Reolink, every detail is crystal clear. Their 4K resolution is also worth mentioning. You can zoom in without losing any detail, making it perfect for identifying license plates, faces, or other critical information. Just make sure your internet connection can handle the 4K stream for an optimal experience. Another reason to love Reolink is the variety of solutions they offer. Whether you need a stable option for a permanent installation, an easy-to-set-up Wi-Fi camera, a solar-powered version for remote areas, or even a 4G LTE model for places without fixed internet, Reolink has thought of everything. It's clear that they're committed to providing something for everyone, whether you're a homeowner securing your garden or a business owner protecting your premises. So, how do you make the most of these deals? First, shop smart by choosing where to buy. You can either head to Reolink's official website, where you'll benefit from direct brand support, or shop on Amazon if you prefer their customer service and fast shipping. My advice is to add the products you're interested in to your wish list now so you can track prices easily. If you're shopping on Amazon, you can also enable price drop notifications in the app to stay updated in real time. Lastly, don't forget to plan ahead. Make sure to check your Wi-Fi compatibility, verify that your setup is ready, and identify exactly what you need before shopping. There's nothing more frustrating than missing out on a great deal because you hesitated too long. To wrap up, Black Friday is the perfect time to invest in Reolink's top-notch security solutions. And don't forget, use our promo code CARO5 to save an additional 5%, even on top of the massive discounts. All the details, including the promo link, are in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Reolink product you're most excited about this Black Friday. See you in the next video.